Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we're going to pick the winner of this watch here. It's the base model Casio G-Shock. I think everyone should have a G-Shock in their collection, but anyway, just wanted to take another moment to thank you guys for watching the videos and for subscribing. I really appreciate it. And as always, I really do appreciate your time, and I appreciate you guys watching the videos and sharing them and all that good stuff. So yeah, so 4,000 subscribers, and if you don't win this watch, I'll try and leave a link in the description to Amazon if you wanted to buy one off of there. And also I'm giving away another Casio, which I don't know what I did with for at the moment. Oh, here it is. I'm giving away this Casio at 5,000 subscribers, and then I think around 4,500 I'll give away this bracelet. And I have another random bracelet too. It's right here. So I'll give away these two bracelets around 4,500. This is it's like an AliExpress knockoff bracelet. It's supposed to be a combi bracelet, so yeah, I'll go over to the computer and we'll do the random comment picker. I'll pick 3 names. The first name is the one that wins, but if I don't hear from them, then we'll go on down the line to the second and the third. So stay tuned, and I'll have more giveaways planned here in the future. Okay, so this is the video here, Casio G-Shock watch giveaway, free watch giveaway. Anyway, so I'm going to copy this here, and go to the random comment picker. Filter duplicate users. Then I should be able to, is that 14? Okay, so filter duplicate users. Okay, I think that's all I need to do. So then I will hit the start button and see who wins this G-Shock. Okay, Quincy81. Yes, everyone, yes, yep, so he agrees everyone needs a G-Shock. So you have won, Quincy81, and then let me pick 2 more just as backups. Way using a 10-year-old computer. Alright, let's try one more time. Wonderful. Let's see if this works. Okay, second place is gshock. Just for the second backup. Okay, so second backup is John. Well, as always, again, thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned. I will do another giveaway around the 4,500 for the combi bracelets, and 5,000 will do the Casio Pathfinder, which was kindly loaned in or kindly donated by a subscriber. I really appreciate that, and again, appreciate you guys